Hey guys, Travis here. It's Veterans Day, so I have the day off from school, and I decided to make a video showing you guys what's on my desktop and what programs I like to use and why I like them, similar to what a lot of Mac users do, showing people what's in their dock. So I'm just going to go through each program icon on my desktop and explain why I use it. So at the top is Cam Studio, which is actually the program that I'm using right now to record this video. It's a screen capturing program that works really well, and you can choose to record certain regions of your screen or the whole thing. I use that often when I'm making tutorials and whatnot. Below that is iTunes, which most people know what that is. I use it to play my audio, video files and sync my content to my iPod. Under that, Picasa 3, which is made by Google. It's a photo editing and organization program, and it can do basic little tweaks to your pictures and basically just retouch them, and you can crop your pictures and do a few other things with it. Below that is Skype, which I use occasionally just to IM people and to video chat with people, but I don't use it too much. A lot of people use it more for business calls and stuff like that. Below that is TweetDeck, which is what I use as my Twitter client. I also have my Facebook account linked to that, so I have my Facebook news feed and my tweets both rolling in at the same time, and you can set it so that a notification pops up when a new tweet from one of the people you're following comes in, or if someone updates their Facebook status. Below that is Sony Vegas Pro 9, which is what I use to edit my videos, but I'm still pretty much a novice video editor and don't know fully the in and outs of that program, but it's fun to use, and I use it more just to mess around with than to actually make videos that I'm going to publish. I have a lot more fun just screwing around with it and seeing what it can do. Under that is VLC Media Player, which is exactly what it's called. It plays basically any file that you can think of, and I basically just have that so that I can play MKV files from DVDs that I've ripped to my computer. Below that is Audacity, which is the program that I'm using right now to record my voice. You can also record your voice in Cam Studio, but for some reason it lags terribly when I'm recording video and audio with that program. But Audacity works really good. It's a free program, and you can record basically anything coming into your computer with that. Below is Everyday Auto Backup, which is more of a less known program than the other programs that I use. It's a simple backup program that I have set up to basically copy everything that's in my documents on my computer and basically dump it straight into my external hard drive, and I have it set to do that every day so that if any files have changed throughout the day, it will update it on my external hard drive. Below that is Google Chrome, which is what I use as my primary internet browser, and it's pretty fast and loads pages quick. And under that is Internet Explorer, which I'm not really a fan of, but I use it as my secondary internet browser and usually have it open just to have my Gmail account up, because my Gmail account that I use as my primary email is different than my email that I use to log into YouTube. So if you log into both at the same time in the same browser, it'll log you out of one. So that's basically why I have two browsers that I use. Below that is Irfan View. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. It's just a photo viewer, but I use it to resize pictures if I need them to be an exact size for something, if I'm printing them out and need them to be like one specific size, or if I'm uploading the picture to a website that it needs to be so many pixels wide and so many pixels tall, stuff like that. Next column of icons, I use Microsoft Word as my text document processor which a lot of people do that run Windows. Below that is Notepad. I use this if I just want to jot something down quickly and I'm not going to be printing it out or changing the text or margins or anything like that. Below that is Soluto, pretty sure how you pronounce that. I found this program not that long ago, and what it does is it looks at what programs start up when you first boot your computer and finds out if any of them are unnecessary to start right when you boot up your computer, so that it can cancel that and make it so your computer boots up faster. And I actually found that there's a lot of things that were running at startup that I didn't actually need, so it's actually pretty cool to have that. Below that is Windows Media Player, which I just use to put my audio and video files in so that I can stream them to my Xbox, since I don't have Vista or Windows 7 that has Windows Media Center. That's how I stream my stuff to my Xbox. And below that, last but not least, is Windows Movie Maker, which I pretty much only use as a capture program to capture video and audio from my Dazzle if I'm transferring stuff from my old video camera that doesn't have a FireWire port, or if I'm capturing from something else. So thanks for watching, happy Veterans Day, and I'll see you in my next video.